The Osmo Action 6 launches November 18th, and the leaks were wild. Rumors of a 1 over 1.1 inch sensor, 8K recording, and a price tag under $400 had everyone skeptical. But DJI just confirmed it's all real. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of what an action camera can do. Here's everything you need to know. Let's talk about pricing first because this is where things get seriously interesting. The standard bundle will retail for $379 in the market. If you want the adventure combo with all the extras, you're looking at $479. Now, when you compare this to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, sitting at $399, DJI is positioning the Osmo Action 6 as a legitimate competitor that undercuts the competition while potentially offering superior specs. Speaking of specs, the Osmo Action 6 is packing some absolutely phenomenal hardware. At its heart sits a massive 1 over 1.1 inch stacked CMOS sensor co-developed with Sony. To put this in perspective, that's nearly 40% larger than the sensor in the Action 5 Pro. Bigger sensors mean better low-light performance, like improved dynamic range, and overall superior image quality. DJI claims this camera can achieve dynamic range beyond 13 stops, which is genuinely impressive for an action camera. But here's where the Osmo Action 6 truly breaks new ground. DJI has equipped this camera with a variable aperture lens ranging from f2.0 to f4.0 at 16 millimeters. This is practically unmatched in the action camera segment. Variable aperture gives creators the flexibility to control depth of field and adapt to different lighting conditions without swapping lenses or using filters. When you need maximum light gathering in dark environments, you've got f2.0. When you're shooting in bright daylight and need more depth of field, you can stop down to f4.0. The video capabilities are equally impressive. The Osmo Action 6 can record 8K footage at 30 frames per second with HDR and PRORES, encoding for those who need maximum quality and editing flexibility. You've got 5.3K at 60 frames per second for high-resolution slow motion, 4K at 120 frames per second for even more dramatic slow motion effects, and 1080p Full HD at 240 frames per second for those buttery super slow motion shots. Battery life has always been a pain point for action cameras, but DJI is addressing this with a 2000 mAh battery that promises up to 4 hours of continuous recording. That's a massive improvement over previous generations and means you can actually get through a full day of shooting without constantly swapping batteries. Durability hasn't been compromised either. The Osmo Action 6 maintains IP68 water resistance rated to 20 meters without any additional housing. And if you add the protective case, that extends to 60 meters. The camera also features dual OLED screens on both the front and rear for improved usability when you're framing yourself or checking your shots. DJI has upgraded the connectivity with built-in 64 gigabytes of internal storage, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 for faster file transfers and remote control capabilities. There's even a smartwatch linking function that lets you control the camera from your wrist and overlay fitness data directly onto your footage. The Osmo Action 6 represents a significant leap forward in action camera technology, and at this price point, DJI is making a serious play for market dominance. November 18th can't come soon enough.